In depth tonight, it's about Medicare fraud. It's an ongoing problem. Perhaps you've seen it unfold yourself, but when a task force of prosecutors and agents in South Florida started a fresh crackdown, what they found shocked them. Tonight, we here begin a two-part series on the blatant theft of billions of dollars meant to be used to care for seniors and the disabled. Here is NBC's Mark Potter.
In Miami, FBI agents investigating Medicare fraud pay a surprise visit to a small medical supply company. Records show it billed Medicare for more than $500,000 worth of equipment in just 1 month. But in the middle of the day, the door is locked. The phone unanswered. No sign of legitimate business.
Nobody's answering. I still hear it.
To the agents, it's highly suspicious.
We're just trying to find out what they're billing for.
Officials say the fraudulent billing of Medicare for equipment that's never delivered, fake medications, and phony doctor bills is simply out of control. An estimated $60 billion a year pilferage of America's health care safety net for the elderly and disabled.
These people have absolutely nothing to do with health care. They're thieves that would be committing other types of crimes if they weren't committing Medicare fraud.
How you doing?
This FBI undercover video shows patients at an AIDS clinic being paid cash to cooperate in a common Medicare billing scheme. While expensive claims were submitted in their names, the patients never received the treatment. Until his arrest, this man ran a multi-million-dollar Medicare fraud. He says in Spanish the theft is so widespread and easy that for every crooked company shut down, 10 more spring up. One of the biggest frauds involves fake billing for durable medical equipment, such as oxygen generators, breathing machines, and orthopedic braces. This electric wheelchair is an example of the fraudulent billing. It normally costs $5,000, but without ever sending it to an actual patient, a company billed Medicare over and over and over for a total of $5 million. For this one chair. Miami's retired chief federal judge, Edward Davis, was stunned when thieves used his stolen patient number to bill Medicare for 2 artificial arms.
It's outrageous. I mean, it is outrageous. You think of the money being lost.
While there are many legitimate medical supply companies like this one, thousands of phony companies are simply fronts for illegal billing with virtually nothing inside.
They get in, they open up a corporation, they bill, they shut it down, and they move on.
Officials say the nation's worst Medicare fraud is in the Miami area. This man, a fugitive from there, is accused of charging Medicare for more than $9 million, and this man more than $7 million. He used to drive this Rolls Royce.
Hello? Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Agents say those cases are just the tip of the iceberg. Everywhere they turn, more and more thieves costing taxpayers billions. Mark Potter, NBC News, Miami.
We'll continue our series here tomorrow night, how Medicare fraud was allowed to spiral out of control in the first place and what is needed to rein it back in.